Does anyone know what today is?
No. Mimi's birthday.
Mimi's birthday. Do you know what we're doing after school today, bud?
What?
We're going to Opa's house.
No, Brooke's house.
Oh. I think we're going to Brooke's house this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if we went tonight, we would only be able to stay for like 5 minutes. If we go there this weekend, we can stay there a little bit longer, okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Do you know what else today is?
What?
Today?
It's the day before Friday.
Well, that's true, which makes it Thursday. But also, 11 years ago, on today's date, Mommy and I went out for lunch and dinner for the first time. Can you believe that?
God, you know that?
I thought she was interesting and she thought I was tolerable.
Now where are they?
Where are the dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Well, there are some little dinosaurs still around. One of them is called a Komodo Dragon.
I know Komodo Dragon.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They told me a while back.
They were on Wildcrats.
Yeah.
How big are Komodo Dragons?
Way big.
Way big.
Yeah. And they can walk.
Yep. Do you know what I heard Komodo Dragons do?
And they can kill water deer.
You're right. So they eat really big animals, don't they?
Not bigger than a T-Rex.
Not bigger than a T-Rex, nope.
How would they eat all one? It's a lot of big animals.
Yep. Whoop.
I know
But when they're trying to eat something like the size of a goat, they will put it in their mouth and run up to a tree and whack the thing into its mouth harder to speed it up. So life is fairly repetitive. Mondays typically consist of waking up, getting ready, taking the kids to school, getting home, working, getting back in my car, driving to pick up the kids. Today's a little different. Get to come along a birthday celebration we have for my mother-in-law, and I have no idea what kind of crazy is going to happen today, but I can guarantee you it's not going to be the normal. Today's also been interesting because there's been a lot of news. Today, on February 24th, 2022, there's been some invasion of one country, Ukraine, by another, being Russia, and the whole world has eyes on this situation. I really have some thoughts about it, but none that are steeped in rational whatever. It's more of just I'm an American who don't have the influence of people from those countries in my life to steer me one way or the other. In the terms of why do these things happen? Why do people do anything that they do? Is it for the betterment of people around you and all of that, or is it just a self-gratifying service to yourself? I'm not saying I have the answers on stuff outside of America. I'm not saying I have the answers on stuff inside of America. What would I like to see? Everyone have their basic needs met and live peacefully together. I don't know what that makes me. Not a realist, that's for sure. But that would be a nice outcome for life. So, I could either choose to focus on all of the negative and all of the bad that's happening, because it's not just Ukraine and Russia. There's a lot of stuff going on everywhere. If I had to bet, be honest, guess, things we don't know about. What we do know about is what happens around us. So I choose to focus on my family. Focus on things that make me feel accomplished. I can say good. It's a relative word. So, I don't know. I'm going to get my son. Did you know that Daddy likes playing with blasters too?
Yeah.
And what if we just found more blasters?
Where?
I don't know. Where do you think we could get a blaster from? Brooke's house? Where else?
From Target.
From Target? Because Target has everything?
Yeah.
Who taught you that? Christy?
Daddy, I have a hiccup.
You have hiccups?
Yeah. And they're worse.
They're bad. They're the worst.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye, Nan.
Say bye to Nan, buddy.
Love you, bye. Love you, bye. I'm about to pull my tooth out.
Why are you about to pull it out?
Because it's so loose.
But how are it so loose? You're so
Let me
little.
show you.
Oh, wait, show it again. Hold still.
Whew, these are cold.
Oh my goodness. When did you get so big?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Oh my word, it's so hard to hold this little tooth. Oh, I'm so close. Do you want to try, Sayla?
Mm-mm.
Your tooth is so little.
Ow.
Okay.
Yep. Now smile for me. Tell me how it happened.
We tried to pull it out, and I tried to wiggle it a little more. It twisted around, and then I tried to pull it, and it got out with this hand.
Oh my gosh.
You know what it sounds like to me?
It's very bloody, though. Let me show you.
It sounds like it was a ballerina tooth.
Oh, it had to
And
do
it
a little
wiggled
spin.
so much.